is you use this thing to scrape it off and put it onto the slide.
Wow. It's pretty confronting.
Practice possible. So I'm going to take
Is this me?
How many people have intraoral cameras in their practice?
Lots.
Okay, this is intraoral on steroids.
Yeah.
So, what we're doing...
Now, if you talk about dental microscopes, this is a real dental microscope.
Have a look here. See the blob?
Ooh. Yep.
See the blob?
Yep.
That's your blob.
My blob.
We can open that 40 times.
Ooh.
Okay. And we are...
Look at the things moving around.
Have a look. Now, you're a patient. You're a patient, right?
Yes.
And you've just seen this. Can you tell me what your initial reaction is?
Oh my God, I need to get rid of this.
And then what would you say?
How do I do that?
Bingo! Gotcha. How do I get rid of it? Now, I'm going to go...
This is fantastic.
I can talk. I just wrote it down. So,
Look at my little worms.
look at my little worms. That's exactly... Oh, and we've got spirochetes.
No.
Spirochetes.
Where? It is too.
And just for your information,
I have a spirochete. Yeah.
dentists and dental hygienists have the worst oral biofilm of anyone. Yours is actually...
Is it because we get it transmitted from our
Yes.
patients?
You're not born with this.
Mm.
People...
We get it transmitted from our patients.
No, and your mothers.
And my mothers.
And then your lovers.